Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Let's wear our sunglasses. We're gonna walk around Baguio City and I'm gonna show you some sights and sounds of Baguio City. Let's go. Just follow me. I'm here in Camp Allen right now. Look at that. Let's go walk. Look at the very tall pine trees. So beautiful. I hope we'll preserve our nature, the beautiful plants, trees, and Baguio will still be the best city in This is Middle Rock Quarry.